Hello, Miriam here at the Bureau of Meteorology with a look at your weather for the week ahead. While we're expecting some heavy rain across the east over the next couple of days, much of Australia can expect a broadly settled week ahead. So let's take a look. At the moment, our weather map shows that most rainfall right now is associated with ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily, moving through New South Wales and the ACT over the next couple of days. We have a dedicated severe weather video out for ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily. So if you're interested in the hazards and warnings associated with this rain event, check out our other video. Looking further afield though, we're still seeing scattered showers and storms through inland Queensland and across the tropical north. But it's worth noting that widespread heavy rainfall is not expected in these parts over the next few days, and this is really good news, particularly for Queensland, where areas of flooding are ongoing and continuing to have significant impacts. We may see some locally heavier totals with thunderstorms across the tropical north. In particular, far north Queensland, the top end and northern parts of the Kimberley may see some of those severe storms, but they're likely to be fairly isolated. In the south, we have a ridge of high pressure, bringing a really settling influence over the southern states. That will continue into tomorrow as the high pressure system moves into the Bight, continuing to stabilise things. The high will also help to push ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily offshore, bringing some drier weather for New South Wales. But we will see the wetter weather, the showers and storms, continuing across the tropical north. By midweek, we're going to see onshore flow bringing some increased shower activity to parts of the New South Wales and southeast Queensland coasts. But the rainfall totals are unlikely to be very high and should be a little bit patchy as well. We may see tropical activity starting to increase across the top end and far north Queensland in particular, as more moisture is drawn across those areas. Going into Thursday, that risk of tropical rain will continue, but it still may be fairly patchy and is likely to be tied to any storms that develop across those northern areas. Through the east, this trough of low pressure through inland Queensland may start to generate some rainfall a little bit further inland, with the risk of some storms developing. But the high pressure system in the south will continue to keep things broadly settled across those southern parts of the country. And that will really continue into the end of the week, as all of these weather systems don't really move too much between Thursday and Friday. Wet in the north and settled in the south to end out the week. Looking now at our temperatures. Today's maximum temperatures show the story of warm and cool. Cool in the south after a significant cold front moved through over the weekend, but the heat persists across northern parts of the country, with many areas still expecting to exceed 40 degrees. That'll continue into tomorrow, with the heat starting to build through central Queensland in particular. By Wednesday though, we're going to see a fresh burst of heat starting to develop along the west coast, with Perth expected to push up into the high 30s once again. It'll still be cooler around the southeast states even into Thursday, but the heat will continue to intensify across central and western parts of the country, and by Friday, Perth is expected to exceed 40 degrees once again. You can find the details for all your local forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website or the BOM Weather app. Have a good week and we'll catch you next time.